We work with the Welsh Refugee Council to provide language lessons for recently arrived forced migrants. The project began back in 2015 because there were a large number of migrants arriving in Cardiff, desperate to learn English, and yet there were waiting lists of up to a year long. We were training teachers who needed to deliver real English language lessons to real learners. And so we brought our undergraduate trainee teachers together with the refugees arriving in Cardiff, and therefore the English lessons were provided by us, benefiting of course the refugees, but also the undergraduate trainee teachers. The English language lessons provide not simply linguistic support, but I would argue also psychological and emotional support. And this will help transform the lives of hundreds of people.
We spoke to people who reported huge amounts of feeling isolated or feeling that they couldn't participate in society, they couldn't sign up to a GP, they couldn't get on a bus without help from maybe someone else who can translate for them. And this can have a real detrimental effect on people's sense of belonging, a sense of being at home, sense of being safe. Access to the language classes provided by University of South Wales really have been, changing lives and helping people to fulfil their potential.
If I don't speak or understand the language, I can't live here because the language is like a key for everything.
When I can speak English, I make friends. Yeah.